Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We're going to continue on our little theme today of building some WooCommerce product sliders or carousels. Yesterday we built this one, really easy to do. We were using the Divi Product Carousel Plugin. It is a premium plugin, but it's really useful and really easy to use. Today we're going to build this slightly more complex one with a sort of 3D effect with all this nice shadowing and add to cart button and what have you. It's another one using the Divi Product Carousel plugin, and it's really easy to do. So let's get started. We'll be building on the front end of our website today as usual with Divi. If you're building any sort of website with WordPress at all, I do suggest you take a look at Divi. It just gets better and better and better. I've literally built hundreds of websites with it, and it's my go-to theme every time. So do check it out. If you want to take it for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. So let's crack on. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder so we can build here on the front end. And I apologize about the audio quality today. My voice is not cooperating for some reason, but I hope you can understand me okay. Okay, well, let's move down. Here's the carousel we're going to build. Let's get that out of the way. Just delete that section, and let's delete the one we did yesterday also. And let's just simply add a new section. I'm going to hit the little blue button there to add a new section. I'm going to add a regular section. And I'm going to put a single row inside it. And of course, we want to add our product carousel module here. By default, Divi comes with all these modules as standard. But the one we want today is using this Divi Product Carousel plugin. You can get this from my affiliate link below the video also, that plugin right there. And as you can see, it's already added some products for us. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of there just briefly. I'm going to put a background behind this so we can see what we're doing a little bit better. So I'm going to go into the section, into the little edit cog there. Background. I'm going to give it a background color and an image today. So I'll give it a background color of black. That makes things stand out pretty well. And let's give it a background image. And that looks pretty dark and colorful. I'll use that one. And let's darken it up a bit by using the blend mode. You get some great effects with Divi using the blend mode. Background image blend. Play around with it. I'm just going to hit multiply. That'll darken it up a bit. Now I want to go back to my color and just take the opacity down, and you'll see that laptop bleed through some as we do that. There we go. I still want it pretty dark, but I want the laptop to be sort of a little bit discernible in the background there. Okay, that's our background taken care of. Let's go back into our Divi Product Carousel module here, which is right here, the dark one. Just hit the cog. And let's start building it. By default, it's put in some anyway. It's put in recent products. You can put in categories, sale products, etc., etc. I'll put in laptop computers. Product count, I've only got 8 of them because this is just a demo site. I'm going to leave it as default sorting. You've got various options: date, price, popularity. Yeah, we'll have an add to the cart button. I don't want the description. I think that'll make it too big. Now, I know you're going to find that hard to see at the moment, but it's put in the price and the title right there, and there's the add to cart button. If I put in the description, it just makes it too deep for me really. I don't know if you can see that there or not. I'll leave it there. I'll take it away in a minute just so you can see it. Now the carousel settings. I'm going to have 6 columns this time. And here it shows you on a desktop it'll show 6, on a tablet it'll show 3, on a mobile phone it'll just show 1, which is great. Multi-slide I don't want because that's going to slide all 6 products every time it slides. If I leave it off, it's just going to do one at a time, which is what I want here. Item spacing, I'm going to leave that for the moment. I will adjust that in a minute. Center slide, I'm going to leave on. Loop, I'm going to put on so it keeps going round and round. Autoplay, I'm going to put on. Pause on hover, I'm going to put on so that when people hover over it, it'll stop if they want to look at an item. I'm going to put my play speed to 2000 milliseconds, which is 2 seconds obviously. I'm not going to have arrow navigation, that's the left and right arrows. I am going to have dot navigation, as you can see down the bottom there. And the dots are fine where they are aligned to the middle. Now you can make your products equal height if you've got varying different image sizes and content sizes, but mine are all the same at the moment, so I don't need that. I'm going to align mine centrally. And the slide effect I'm going to use today is not the slide, it's the cover flow. And what that does, it adds these sort of interesting shadow effects to it and kind of makes it 3D. Now, before I go back to this, let's just put a background color on. I'll just use blue. So there you can see, barely see the description there. I don't want that. That's too much for me. So I'm going to go back up into the content and uncheck the description. There we go. That's more what I wanted. And they kind of look higgledy-piggledy. I don't know if that's a phrase you're familiar with. It look like a bit of a mess. It's not really what I'm looking for. So if we go back into carousel settings, now here we can change the item spacing. But I think first we want to actually change the item rotation. So let's go to cover flow, rotate. There we go. I want something like that so they're folding back each side. So you can see that. That's fine. And now I want to go up to the spacing and I want to have them almost overlap. There we go, something like that. So we're getting there now. They're kind of like a rotating card thing, but you've got that nice one in the middle there. Okay, so let's now go to our design tab and make it the way we want it. Overlay, I'm not going to bother with, don't want an overlay. Title. Don't want the title on top, I'm going to leave it underneath where it is at the moment. Font weight, I'm going to make bold. And let's make it white so we can see it better. And let's put it in the middle. There we go. Text size, I'm going to leave it as it is because I don't have a lot of room left there. Now the price. Again, price, I don't want it on top and I don't want to hide it. I am going to make it bold. I'm going to make it central. It might be difficult for you to see. Let's change the color to green. There we go. You can see it better there. And I am going to make that slightly bigger. There we go. And let's change the line height so it gives it a little bit more space there. So that's just giving it a little more breathing room. So we're almost there now. There's our add to cart button. Let's just customize that. Got no description, got no sale badge because they're not on sale. Here's the add to cart button. And I think I just made it purple last time for no particular reason. As you can see, that's purple now. Okay, let's take the opacity down a little bit on that. So this is the actual background itself, so fairly opaque. And on the hover, when you're just hovering over it, over the block itself, let's make it a little bit more opaque by taking the opacity down. So look, see, that's when you're hovering over the block. Then when you're actually on it, I think we'll do it the other way around. Take that up a bit. I still want to see the laptop behind it. So I'm going to take it down a bit more. Hovering over the block, there we go. Then we're on it, it's a bit more, or a bit less opaque, I should say. Okay, not sure what happened there when I did that. Those turned, oh, I see, I'm moving the carousel. Didn't realize you could do that manually. That's pretty cool. Okay, I think that's it. If you wanted to, you could change the actual add to cart text color and what have you. Make it yellow. That would make it very ugly. There you go. How many colors can you have going on? But I think I'll leave it as white. There we go. All right, I'm happy with that. Let's just save it and save our changes. And exit the Visual Builder. And scroll down and see what we've got. There we go. I think that's a really interesting looking product carousel. Like I say, really easy to set up. So I think the people over at Divi Gear have done a great job with the Divi Product Carousel plugin. Like I say, there's a link below. It's my affiliate link if you want to try it out. If you're selling products, it'd probably be a great idea. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, have a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.